Hello, good people. This is Sherry. Do you want to make some gorgeous high-end jewelry without a fancy studio? In this video, I'm showing you step by step how to make stunning cowrie shell hoop earrings completely from the comfort of my bed. I got this magnetic phone holder for my iPhone from Amazon, and it is a game changer. I paired it with this headlamp that gives me the lighting that I need. And I sat in my bed and made these hoop earrings. This is a good lazy crafting setup. These are faux cowrie shells that I got when I went shopping in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And this wire is a very, very soft wire that is perfect for working with these cowrie shells. It's a 24 gauge, I think, either 24 or 26 gauge. And then these are hoops that I purchased from the hair store. I start by wrapping my wire at least 4 times. It's up to you how many times you want to wrap it. And then I anchor it and squeeze it with my pliers to stabilize it. I slip my cowrie shell on and I wrap it twice. So I'm going to wrap it around my wire, and then I'm going to come back through the cowrie shell and wrap it again. Once I wrap it that second time, then I'm going to pull the wire to the bottom of the shell and wrap the bottom 2 times. With each wrap, pull your wire as tight as you can because you want your cowries to be as stable as possible. Now wrap your wire around your earring 2 or 3 times. Again, we're trying to stabilize the cowrie. Then pull your wire straight up and attach your next cowrie. And you just do that thing over and over until you get to the point where you want to stop. When you run out of wire, and you will, I normally cut about 12 inches of wire at a time. Just start over by anchoring your wire behind your last cowrie shell, and just start again adding your cowrie shells. I want to say that I really appreciate everyone who watches my videos from near and far. Let me know where you're watching from. Also, I really appreciate those who subscribe to the videos. If you like this type of video, please subscribe. I would love to have you. All right, give me a comment. It really helps the channel to go out to more people. You know the drill. Please leave me a comment, a hype, all that good stuff. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.